Hello, it's Owen here at Tonic HQ, and we've got a very special show for you because we're unboxing Tonic Craft Kit number 32. I'm going to be introducing it to you and just telling you a little bit more about the Tonic Craft Kit. Then Alison Whelan, the expert crafter from Tonic HQ, will be talking you through the kit and its ingredients. So, what is the Tonic Craft Kit? If it's your first time joining us, it's a monthly subscription box from Tonic Studios. It contains exclusive dies and stamps you won't find anywhere else. It also contains Craft Perfect cardstock, Nuvo, and other bits and pieces, which is sort of everything you need in order to create a wonderful project with some really outstanding items. All right, so we'll take it over to Alison now, and she's going to talk you through what's in this kit this month, and then I'll close with a little bit more information on how to get this kit.
Hello, we're just going to show you what's in this month's kit. We've got a lovely memory book wallet to share with you this month. As you can see from the gorgeous samples we've got, I'll go through our box, show you all the cardstock and everything first, and then I'll show you the dies. So just going to open the box. What's in the box today? So as you can see from the samples, we've kind of gone a little bit springy, a little bit summery, very, very gentle this time. So what do we have? We have some salmon harlequin card. Let me bring this over here and then I can show you closer to the camera so you can get a good look at these. So we have the salmon harlequin, the lovely pearlescent. These are 250 GSM card. This is our speciality card. Then we have our, let me just get I've covered my little list. This is our blushing pink. Again, this is pearlescent card, 250 GSM. We have our foil triangles in the rose gold. Beautiful, beautiful card. We have a coral pink. This is our classic cardstock. So this is 216 GSM. Then we have a smooth mint. This is a lovely, lovely satin card. Very, very gentle. And that is 230 GSM. We have our lucky shamrock. A little bit of glitter there. Our limelight, again, they're double-sided. All our pearlescents are double-sided. So perfect for memory books. If you only want one side page, you've got the colour both sides. Beautiful, lovely limey green. And last but not least is our pistachio green. Again, that's classic cardstock, so it's 216 GSM. So a beautiful colour palette. Lovely pinks and greens. So I'll leave these on the front so you can have a good look then. Then we have some alcohol markers. These are our Emerald Seas, and you'll get the full set of these. We have an embellishment mousse. This is good for colour tinting your ribbons, doing some spritzing, colouring your cardstock, painting with, lots of ideas with your embellishment mousse. And this one is citrus green. Beautiful colour. Then we have a full size Nuvo crystal drops, and this is bubblegum pink. Bubblegum blush, sorry. Then we have, you'll have one of these in your kit. So you'll either have Victorian rose hexagons or you'll have rose shell blossoms. So these are little shakers, fantastic for adding to your shaker cards, which I know you love, because we sell lots of those. You have a little notebook, just to keep a track on everything that's going on. Then we have our sticker. So we have, when you have nothing to say, create. I think that's a pretty good comment for the time being. And then we have your die and stamp set. So these are how they'll come to you, and you'll have your little set of stamps. So I'll show you those on the boards because it's easier to explain everything to you. So I'm just going to pop this out of the way, and then I can explain. So if I bring the dies out, then I can point to them as I'm going along. Just make a little bit of room here. You know how I like to spread everything out. Okay, so if I pop them on this cardstock, then you're going to be able to see. So your base die is going to make this shape. So this die here, the large die, is your base die. This will make your front flap for a card. It'll make your wallet for a book, depending on whatever you want to make with it. You also have a range here. You have 3 sets of eyelets for you to thread ribbon through. The little rings you can buy, you can tie ribbon through them. Lots of ideas to do with them, and I'll show you some of them as we go along with the samples. So that's your beginner. Then you get your decorating. You get your layers for your pages. Easy to trim off the stitching layer to make a layer for this one. Then you have your little flap decoration, and also the Nuvo die for the pattern that cuts into it. Then we have a little pocket. So your little pocket here, this is your die for your pocket. Then you have a layer to decorate, and you can cut the pattern into the layer. And this layer then is big enough to take a credit card. So I'm just gonna nab a little card out to here, and that will pop in. So if you want to do a card with a gift card inside, absolutely perfect. You've got 2 little tags and also a little flower with a verso die that will cut in the middle. So lots of little changes and lots of versatile elements in this kit. Your stamps then, you've got a nice little array of stamps. We're looking at gifts and memory books, treasured collections, that sort of thing. So we have loving memories. Let me just read it. Loving memories and perfect moments. A collection of treasured memories. For someone special, just for you. Our story so far. I like that one. Remember when. A tale of 2 friendships. A gift, and then we have some notes and crosses, hugs and kisses, a little heart, and almost a little sunray heart as well to decorate with. So that's your dies and your stamps. So again, lots of variety. What have we made with them? Right, so we've gone from making cards, which I'll show you now. So we've got lovely little cards here, using elements out of the set. So we've used the little panel as a decorative panel on the card. The little eyelets we've used again to add extra decoration. The pens, the Nuvo, everything added in. And then when you open this one, we've got lots of decoration inside, and we've done a little gift card holder there. So another nice little idea. Made a stencil out of the flower, so that's a lovely little idea. Used the stamps as decoration. Very, very pretty. That's one of our Christines. Then we have another of Christine's where she's used the decorative layers top and bottom, added in a little bit of greenery and decorated with the flowers, and popped your gift card inside. So a nice way of giving a card, I think, but also with something extra. I've made a little book, but this could also be a card. That could be a card front. Doesn't have to be anything else. But then when you open it up, it's got a little pocket for a secret message. But again, you could pop your gift card in, and this is for your photos. So lots of little cards there, little sheets that you can add either notes or photographs to, and a little pocket in the back. So that's a quick little idea. Then we have one from our Jen. Jen's gone to town here. She's done a big wrap around. So she's got, it's almost like a little stationery set, this is. You've got a little calendar inside, she's got train tickets. Oh, this is proper memory book. That's what Jen's done. Then you've got little pockets, little tags. You can write on these, add little photographs in, open it up. And we have another layer, beautifully decorated. Jen's done a lovely bit of watercolour in here as well. Lots of little notepads, little tags. There'll be more photos of this on the website, so don't worry that you're missing anything. We've got lots of tags here that'll fit in. This is a little pocket with another little card inside. So lots of little ideas that Jen has added in. Let me just pop that in without catching it. And then she's got a little pocket in the back there. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So there's one little idea. I've done a basket. So I've used the main die, folded it. It's got little score lines, and I folded. I'm trying to see which one I folded it on. I think it's I've left one fold where I've put the eyelets through, and the rest are folded around the back. I'm hoping you can see it there. And it makes a lovely little basket. Maybe you've got a plant, a nice little plant, or a nice little gift. Baby gifts would be lovely in here as well. I've coloured the ribbon with the mousse just to tie in with the colour scheme. So that was another idea. Done a little wraparound wallet. So we've got lots of different styles of wallets here, and you make these as thick or as thin as you like. Oh, I thought I had a spare. I've covered the magnet with a little flower. So we've got a little pocket, and this one then pulls out. So this is where you pop all your photographs. So that's that one. And it's plain on the back. We've got a lovely little gift envelope from Vicky. Just slide down the little closure, and then you can pop your little gift inside and your card. So another lovely little idea. And then we've got, this is stunning, look at this. This is a lovely little idea. Little tags inside where you can pop your little messages. Little open, books to open, little messages inside. Absolutely stunning. Love this. Love the little extra tags as well. There we are. So that's our Vicky's. Beautiful. And the closer, she's popped a little magnet as well, so it will close itself. Absolutely stunning. And then the last one, this is one I wanted to give you lots of ideas to decorate your pages. So I've done a double album. So we have, these will open, and I've done it almost like, oops, little flaps. So they will lift up for your photographs. And then a little closure. I've mirrored it on both sides. So we have a little pocket ready for pictures to be added. We have little pockets here. These will fold out to give you more room for photographs. This would make a lovely baby album, I think. Then we have, I haven't got enough hands here, I don't think. We've got another one then to pop a picture, hidden picture inside. And this one will open up, and they're all different lengths to pop different messages or different pictures. And I've used the die but just folded it at a different point. And then we have another little pocket right in the background. So again, you could put your tickets, you could put your memories from a special day out. And that's the ideas that we've come up with. Hope you like them. Hope you enjoy your kit and have fun. Thanks for joining me.
And there you have it. That's Tonic Craft Kit number 32, available now worldwide. You can click the links in this video and you can find out how to subscribe, whether that be as a one-off if you just want to test it out, subscription or quarterly subscription as well. There's no contract with our Tonic Craft Kits, so you can cancel at any time. So if you did enjoy Tonic Craft Kit number 32, subscribe for dispatch in June.